efforts to stop the evil ringleader. No! Dum dum dum! Ooh. I'm on the left.
Take it down, make it down. Now you can't break the little door, but give the devil his due. I bet a fill of gold against your souls. I think I'm better than you. The boy said my name's Johnny, and it might be a sin, but I'll take your bet, your glittery ripples are the best as ever been. Shine your eyes in the elbow and play that fiddle hard. Cause I'm focused on Georgia and the devil deals the cards. And if you win, you get the shiny fiddle made of gold. But if you lose, devil gets your soul.
Watch his moves. Not anymore. Now I advise you watch his. Survive. Shit, he got a left flip. Fuck. Do you want me to try again, dudes? I'll take you down. Bitch. No, it doesn't work with this. Because you can't go to practice when it's a game. Yeah. Let me tell you why. Yeah, boy. Hey. You got to win. Johnny, I'm Johnny, 'cause I'm Johnny Palm. Officially unlocked everything, dudes, except the thing you get after this. Shout out what he gets, please. Another ampere glue. Fucking lefty glue. Some through the top now. He's annoying.